What's doing? Welcome to another one. This one's just another quick little episode about another Dmax, another 4JJ3. This one has a DPF Solution Pipe with standard exhaust. So let's run it up, let it idle. You'll be able to hear what it sounds like, and we'll do a drive away, and you can have that option of having something a little bit quieter but still have those gains. Let's have a look. So that's it. So we just drove away. You can see it's a lot quieter than having the 3-inch straight through or a resonator, but you still have that other response and reliability. So if you want to have that, we have them here in stock. They'll bolt up to the 4JJ3 Dmax and the BT50 standard exhaust system or someone else's exhaust system. They bolt straight in. Not easy enough job to do on yourself unless you're quite handy. They're a bit of a job, and you will need a tune. So if you want to get that done here, we can fit, supply and tune all here. Keep them in stock. Give us a call, 5491 4626. Hit that like, hit subscribe, stay tuned for more action, and we'll see you in the next one.